Hello, silence, my old friend. The engine's quiet, the day must end. The echoes fade where the blacktop gleamed. I chase the sun, I touch my dream. Thunder road, I found my soul upon the road. In the sound of the road, where the noise gives way to peace untold. Every mile of memory I hold is the sound of the road. Leather worn and the daylight dies. The sky bleeds red as freedom cries. No crowd, no stage, no glory show. Just me, the wind, and the undertow. And in the hush when the heartbeat slows, I feel alive in the sound of the road. Still in dust they fade away, but the ride still burns where the spirit